Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create form in Appsheet. So the very first thing that you should do is you have to sign up for an Appsheet account. You just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar, you just have to search for Appsheet and you'd be able to see this results. So just click on the first one. And then right here, you can sign up from scratch or sign up with your Google account. So I'm just going to sign up with my Google account. Then after signing up, you'd be redirected to this website. Okay. Now what you're going to do here, as you can see at the right side, this is your AppSheet view. Okay, so we are going to create a form right here. Okay, so as you can see at the left side as well, we have the different options. We have the home, info, data, UX, behavior, automation, security, intelligence, and manage. And now to create a form, all you have to do is to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'd be able to see here the option where you can create a form. So we have the AppSheet templates. So say for example, for the simple survey, what you're going to do is to copy and customize this template, and then you just have to give it a name and a category, and then just set up your template. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and then you'll be able to see here now the template. Now go to the info section, and what you're going to do here is to manage the app. Okay, so this is your dashboard. We have the properties, errors, and more. So going to the data, we have the tables, columns, slices, user settings, and then the options. Okay, now if you would like to add a new table, you can also go here and then you can add a Google Forms if you want to, and then you just have to select the file. And then for the new source, so you just have to select the source of your form here as well. Now going back to the public form, say for example right here we have this different options. If you want to create a new table, just create a new table. And when you go to the column section, as you can see, we have here the public form details. So you can check here the information that you want to be included. Okay, so here we have the signature, we have the location, the color, drop down, percent, date, time, text, buttons, and more. And when you go to the slices, you can create a new slice. Here, just have to click on create a new slice. And for the user settings, you can also go here and then for the options as well. And for the table, if you want to create a new table, just click on it and go to the Google Sheets if you want to add a new table or Google Forms. Now, the advantages of creating forms in Appsheet. The first one is easy data collection. So forms allow users to input and submit data efficiently, reducing manual paperwork. Second, customizable fields. You can add text fields, drop downs, check boxes, images, signatures, and more. Third is the conditional logic. So show or hide fields based on user input, making the form dynamic and user-friendly. And then the fourth one, validation rules ensure users enters correct data by setting required fields, drop-down options, and specific formats. And then the fifth one is the automated actions. Once a form is submitted, Appsheet can trigger emails, notifications, or database updates automatically. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.